Hi, my name is Nellie. I'm the assistant manager here at the Barkley in Anaheim. Today I'm going to be showing you apartment number 140. This apartment is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and it's located downstairs. So as you walk in, you'll walk into the living area, and then you'll look over to your dining area. So what's great about this apartment that you'll notice right away is that we do have the hard surface flooring throughout, which makes it so much more modern and really easy for cleanup. We do have a sliding door here that leads out to your extended patio. So you have a lot of space out here for your patio furniture or for a grill. Now over in the dining area, you do have another big window that lets in a lot of light. And then you have a brand new ceiling fan here. Your kitchen is right over here. Now the kitchens do have a lot of cabinet space, along with a lot of counter space. You can see you do have a breakfast bar here. And then you do have a pantry here with some more storage space. So in the kitchen, you're gonna receive the refrigerator, gas stove, and dishwasher. All of our units do have central air and heat. Now, as you walk over this way, this is going to be the entrance to your restroom and bedroom area. So this is going to be your sink here, some more storage here, and your restroom. As you come around this way, this is the entrance to your bedroom, and again, it does have that hard surface flooring, so it does look very nice. You do have 2 closets here in your bedroom, so one there, and one right over here. So this one does have the mirrored doors, which is great. And you have a lot of space in this bedroom. So again, as we come out here, you're going to see your restroom area. And then back out to the living and kitchen area. So if you are interested in this unit, it is available for an immediate move-in, and you can apply online today.